Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to join a Zoom meeting in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, I'll create a new Zoom meeting. From the home page, click the New Meeting button. A preview window will appear, and then click Start to begin the meeting. If your computer does not have a camera, don't worry. You can keep the video turned off. If you do not have a headphone, that is also completely fine. You can still create and join a Zoom meeting using your computer. After the meeting starts, click the Participants button from the bottom toolbar, then click Invite. Now click Copy Invite Link. This will copy your Zoom meeting link. Next, open WhatsApp and paste the Zoom meeting link. I'm sending the link to WhatsApp only as a demonstration. Now, if someone opens this Zoom meeting link from another Zoom account or another device, they can join the meeting. Please remember that I'm only showing the process. You should use another Zoom account or another device to test the Join feature. The same Zoom account that created the meeting should not be used to join the same meeting for testing. The other participant can simply click the Zoom meeting link, enter their name if required, and click Join. If the meeting asks for a passcode, they should enter the passcode provided with the meeting invitation. Once they join successfully, they will enter the Zoom meeting room and can communicate with the host. This is the easiest way to join a Zoom meeting using a Zoom meeting link in Zoom Workplace. That's how you can create a Zoom meeting, copy the invite link, send it through WhatsApp, and join the meeting from another Zoom account or another device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.